Hey guys, wanna know how to download MetaTrader 5 on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, in order to download MetaTrader 5 on Android, go to Play Store and hit towards the search bar right in the bottom and then select the search bar. Now search up MetaTrader 5 and once you're there, right here you can see MetaTrader 5. Now click on it for details or just simply press install. And that's it. Super simple and easy. After that is done, your MetaTrader installation should begin. And once the installation is over, you can just simply open up the app and there you go. Now you can start using it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.